Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a problem of can't install apps on Google Play Store. So if you get such a problem, according to the basic information I have, you need to come to your settings and clear the cache of your Google Play Store. So you come to settings, select apps. So again, select apps over there and come and choose Google Play Store over here. So when you choose Google Play Store guys, come to storage, then come to clear cache over here. Okay, so I won't clear my cache because I don't have such a problem, but for you, if you have such a problem, please come and clear cache. So after clearing cache, you can come back to your Play Store and download any application that you want. Okay, so if you come to Google Chrome over here and try to input that search of can't install apps on Play Store, let's put it and see what solution they give us. Okay, so as Google they say, clear the Google Play Store cache. So basically Google has the same opinion like me. So you need to clear the Google Play Store cache so that you can now install applications without any error message. Thank you for watching guys. We shall meet in the next video.